Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents. Chapter 38, so here it is. Let's read the story. Now, it's 4:59. Lucy Xiao still restless. And it reached 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, looking at her, she was really looking at the clock on her side. Want to go out quickly, see Sian downstairs in the company. But when she went out in her office, it seems that everyone is still in the company, and her office mate seems to be surprised. Mr. Lu get off work early today. One of the employees is asking her, "Are you going home to spend time with your kids or do you have an appointment?" Well, it seems everyone is asking her whereabouts. Right now, Lu Shishao said, Um, I'm busy. Seems that she was shy. Now she don't want them. Let know. She has an appointment with someone. Well, Lu Shishao entered on the elevator. Looking at her, she was really blushing. On the other hand, everyone downstairs. Wow, what kind of car is this? Color is cool. Are there any big customers coming today? It's the boss. Well, it turns out everyone was really surprised, also got curious. Who is the person driving this car now? A lot of people are talking a lot. Ian said that she would wait for me downstairs in the company. This car couldn't be hers. Right now, Lucy Xiao. She was really curious. Who is the owner of the car? Turns out it was Sian. Now, she was waving at her. Looking at this girl. Seems to be happy seeing her. Right now, Lucy Xiao. She was reading again her message. And Teacher C said to her, "Boarding." Well, it seems that Teacher C wants her to go inside the car. Right now, she looks really surprised. Well, maybe she was hesitating right now because the car caught attentions of a lot of people, especially her office mate. Right now, Lucy Xiao goes straight to Sian's car. Well, she was really speechless. Also, a lot of people are staring at them. Probably they're curious. The car is really luxury. And Lu Xiao goes inside the car. Now, looking at her, she looks really serious. Well, this is the first time Xian used the car. Right now, Lu Xiao, maybe she's wondering. Actually, she get on the bus directly, under the watchful eyes of so many people. Well, she was really shy, don't want others to see her. Right now, Xian said to her, "Lu, your dedicated driver Yan Yan is your service." Well, this girl, she seems to be happy seeing Lu Xiao. Also, a lot of people caught attention on Xian's car. Right now, Lu Xiao, he was staring at Xian. Does this car look good? Xian is asking her. Lu Xiao right now, she's blushing. Well, probably she didn't expect Xian is really rich. She really thought that Xian is an ordinary teacher. Xiao said it's nice. But right now, not only it's good looking, it's also sexy. It fits this person's temperament very well. It almost tailored, made for her. This is Lu Xiao on her mind right now. She's looking forward to it. But right now, Xian said to her, "Did you like it?" Well, Lu Xiao, she really caught in the act. Right now, she really can't speak. But Xian said to her, "Why are you ignoring me?" Lu Xiao said to her, "Where did you came from?" Well, right now, she really looks serious. Xian, she moved closer to her. "Don't worry about where it came from. It wasn't stolen." Well, of course, Xian, she is really proud to herself. Also, she really bought that car. Xian, she moved closer and said, "Answer me, do you like it?" Right now, Xian is caressing the face of Lu Xiao. Lu Xiao, she is trying to hide her feelings. Right now, she's trying to look on the other side. For Xian, she continued provoking her. She is caressing her face. Lu Xiao, she was still blushing, although she said she really liked it. Right now, Xian, she was really looking forward to it. Looks serious. She really wants to provoke Lu Shishao. Well, this girl, she was really a hard teaser. She continued, press her face. Do you like me? Or do you like that man? He was holding her tight. He was obviously talking about the car. But why it become a tease when it come to her mouth? Well, Xian, right now, of course, she was really jealous. A friend of Lu Shishao was having a sports car also. That's why she really buy her own. Now her car is really expensive. The one that Lu Shishao friend driving right now. Xian, you haven't answered me yet. Do you like me or... Well, Xian, continue on teasing her. Lu Shishao until now, she was really shy. Said to her, small tone of voice, I like you. Well, looking at Lu Shishao, she looked down. Don't want to see her. Xian, not being perfunctory, I just like you. Oh, this girl. Seems that she was really losing her patience, although Xian only want to tease her. Towards Lu Shishao, she was acting like she's going to kiss her. Xian, she was really a teaser. Right now, well, Lu Shishao answered, but the two of them still lie to each other. Although Xian continued teasing her, she really kissed her. Lu Shishao, she can do anything, but to stay put. There are also many people outside. Well, still, Xian, you really don't care whatever people gonna see. Right now, Lu Shishao is only on her mind. It's a one-way glass, cannot seen from the outside. Well, it turns good. But looking at Lu Shishao, since Xian kissed her, looking at her, she looks really vulnerable. Well, she always got crazy. And Xian is provoking her. His car is worthless, and it depreciated the day after he bought it. Now Xian, he was touching the car, teasing Shishao. This is a limited edition car for me. It has been used for a long. And a second-hand car is more expensive than a new one. For Lu Shishao, of course, doesn't matter. Beautiful car matches a beautiful woman. Oh, this girl, she was really sweet, even though she really wanted to tease Lu Shishao. Well, it's really getting crazy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!